BJP, as we said, also under attack for its inaction in the case of the attacks on Dalits, and this also is a different slant. Let me just recap what has happened here before I open the debate. Prakash Ambedkar, thank you for your patience. Praveen Mishra, thanks for joining in from Ahmedabad. Kancha Elayya, Prafulla Ketkar, and M.R. Venkatesh, feel free to come in. Let's open up the debate. Let me tell you what happened, viewers, and we can run some pictures over this narration. On the morning of 11th July, a group of people who happen to be Dalits are skinning the carcass of a cow that is already dead. Point number one. A group of men arrive in a car, begin questioning them, accusing them of slaughtering the cow. Not satisfied with the explanation, they begin beating up the four people in addition to their parents. This happens around 10 o'clock in the morning in broad daylight when these Gau Raksha organization, a group of cow vigilantes, take matter into their own hands. Beating goes on under the police's eyes for 2 hours in the first instance. Police was nowhere. Doesn't stop there. These people are put in a car, taken to another location, beaten up once again after being tied to a car. They are tied to a car. They are beaten with rods and lathis. They are then stripped in broad daylight. Police does nothing. There are 25 to 30 witnesses who simply stand and watch, do nothing. The indication is that there is nothing done to prevent what is happening. A family is beaten black and blue for 3 hours on an open Gujarat street in broad daylight. Nothing happens in those 3 hours. The assault happens at 10 o'clock in the morning. The FIR is filed around 7 o'clock in the evening. So an FIR is filed 9 hours after the incident begins. They've suspended some officers now. But the question to be asked is, why didn't they take any action in the first place? This has led to unrest across Gujarat. The story now needs to be debated. Kancha Elayya, let's start the debate with you. What does this reveal? Kancha Elayya, I want to start with you. The debate is open. What does this reveal? Feel free to come in. Kancha Elayya, what do you think? This particular incident and the debate around it.
No, Aruna, see, this whole question of a dead cow being seen as more important than human beings who were skinning it is a culture that has been built by whom? How long this culture has been built? And in 2002, when again BJP was in power in Jajjar, 5 Dalits were murdered for skinning in the same way. Again it comes back. It comes back with a rigor one after the other. You have Haryana, where a minister just says that these fellows are dogs. And you have a vice chancellor in Hyderabad University who accuses a boy of a talent of a great scientist that you go and die. And he hangs himself. He comes back with power. And then look at Uttar Pradesh, this man. In what context the Gujarat is burning? And today this man said, Mayawati is worse than prostitute. There is a linkage, there is a training. The training is done by certain organizations behind it. They are not saying even today.
What organizations?
That whether it is cow,
Elayya, we have a representative here from the RSS who's the editor of the organizer.
It is RSS.
Be specific. What is your accusation of the RSS?
RSS is not saying that cow is not more than Dalits, human beings at all. It has propagated for so long that cow is more sacred. And cow is sacred than human beings. Therefore, these trained people are doing all this, and it has gone to the political parties, it has gone to the organization.
By RSS Gujarat. Please don't make allegations. Mr. Rahul Gandhi is already in the soup. Please don't make unnecessary allegations.
What is made?
All the people in Gujarat.
No. I'm not saying RSS. No. What was the ideology? Did RSS or BJP today declare? Do they declare that no human being is not less than any animal, whether it is cow or any other thing? Anything that happens to human being against any animal should be immediately punished. Do they declare? Where did they declare?
That's why I said you didn't read the press release. It has clearly said in the press release that it is not only condemnable, but it is against the ethos.
This condemnation means what, Mister? No, no. What does
What-
condemnation mean?
what-
No. 1 second. Prafulla Ketkar in March this year, and I'm going to open up this debate. What does condemnation mean? Sabha can feel free to come
Yeah,
in. Prakash
please.
Ambedkar, if you want to come in as well on this debate. In March this year, a 27-year-old man called Mustaine Abbas is killed in Haryana on the allegation of illegal transportation of cows. And who kills him? Some kind of Gauraksha Samiti kind of groups, right? In March this year, 2 people, including a 13-year-old child, were hanged in Latehar in Jharkhand, allegedly by this cow Rakshak kind of Samiti, cow vigilantes. ये गौ रक्षक समिति, ये cow vigilante लोगों को मारते क्यों हैं? उनको क्यों मार डालते हैं? नहीं, आप मुझे समझाइए. And why is it that these cow vigilantes?
Do you really want to understand? Do you really want to understand? Do you really want to understand?
I want to ask.
Do you really want to understand?
I want to know from you who are these cow Raksha Samiti? Why do they get so emboldened?
What you are doing, and
What am I doing?
Professor Kancha Ilaiah is also doing.
What am I doing?
Where did they come from? What is their cultural
Cow
root?
issue, woman issue, Dalit issue,
No, we are not.
and
No, I'm not.
blaming.
No.
Listen.
No, I'm not.
Blaming that
I'm
and
not.
connecting
No,
it to
not at all.
2002 and 2006.
No, look at judges.
See,
Sorry.
please,
All
let
the
me complete.
judges,
Let me
please,
complete.
Hindu
You let me
Parliament.
complete.
Writers are
You have no
defending
explanation. You
the
just say we
convenient-
condemn
BJP,
violence, but you
RSS,
empower
Vishnu
these
Parishad
people.
writers
They
are
think the
defending-
law
Not
will
at
look the
all.
other way.
Not at all.
Why are there
Not
so
at
many
all.
cows? Why are
Not
there
at
so
all.
many attacks?
Is
Why?
there-
Is there an explanation? Why are there so many attacks? Why are they
Yeah,
killing
that's the point.
people?
Why-
Why? And they're unraveling
Is it
your
that-
political
why,
project.
Why it is linked?
They are the biggest danger.
Why they are being discussed
Why?
only when
Why?
BJP is in power? That's the question.
Discuss?
The real question is
They are killing
the-
people when BJP is in
No.
power.
No.
Prafulla, they are killing
absolutely
people
wrong.
now.
You take the
They are
history from
hanging little
2004
boys.
to 2014.
They are going
You
to
take the
create.
history
They are
from
going to
2004
destroy the
to
social order in
2014,
Gujarat.
and you didn't dare to discuss
know?
these issues.
They are killing people.
Number one,
No,
I would like to
watch-
say,
yeah.
as far as this ban on cow slaughter is concerned,
It's not about a ban on cow slaughter.
it's
about
from the time of Jawaharlal Nehru.
It's not about a
Even
ban on
from
cow
the
slaughter.
British age.
It's not about
So
a
why
ban
you
on
want
cow
to blame BJP
It's
and
not-
others?
Okay,
about-
so
I
let me
would like to
understand
ask-
this.
I would
Let
like
me
to- I would
understand
like
this.
to ask Kancha
The
Ilaiah.
Dalits
No, no,
of
one second.
Gujarat,
Sabha,
they
Sabha,
were
Sabha,
engaged.
Sabha,
The
Sabha,
Dalits,
one
they were
question.
engaged
No,
in
the
a
question
traditional
was-
As far
occupation.
as the atrocities
No.
and the murder of Dalits are concerned,
Very bad.
why Kancha Ilaiah remains silent when Arun Mahar, a Dalit boy, is killed
Please.
in Agra in broad
Answer
daylight?
yourself.
When Prashant Pujari is killed in Karnataka? When a woman was raped and stabbed, a Dalit woman in Kerala, because they are related to VHP. So मैं पूछना यह चाहता हूं कि आप भी पॉलिटिकल रंग देखकर दलितों की जान की कीमत लगाते हैं?
पॉलिटिकल रंग तो आप दे रहे हैं.
हम नहीं दे रहे।
No, आप दे रहे हैं.
दलित
आप दे रहे हैं. आप सरासर दे रहे
किसी भी
हैं. आप मेरी
क्षेत्र
बात
का हो,
सुनिए. आप मेरी बात
किसी भी
सुनिए.
विचारधारा
आप मेरी
का हो.
बात सुनिए. और
जैसे
प्रफुल्ल-
आपने कहा
सुनिए, प्रफुल्ल केतकर और सुधांशु दुबे, आप दोनों मिलकर इस डिबेट को
अगर-
डोमिनेट करने की
No,
कोशिश मत
not at
कीजिए.
all. Not at all.
आप मेरी बात सुनिए.
We are not going.
No, you
to-
listen,
we
you
are
listen,
not
listen
going
to
to
that.
listen
I
to
mean, listen to
unnecessary
that.
allegations.
You both of you
Let us
don't
have
want to
a
listen to me. You are sitting
political
right
Please
now.
tell me,
You want me to
please
come
tell me
across
a
and
single
speak?
reason
Praful,
why
okay.
Dalit murders in Kerala and Tamil Nadu are not discussed in Delhi television.
Okay,
Why?
so
Because
why?
they are not-
What about?
they are not-
No, hang on.
Before
hang on.
Rahul went
The
down,
issue is,
Everywhere
the
who are
issue
you to
is
decide,
every
yeah?
human
You are
life
not
is
going to
important.
decide.
Every woman's
There is
dignity
a- there is a
important.
whole uprising
Every
in
human life is
Gujarat.
important. Every
Mr. Prafulla,
politicize
there's
it.
an
Don't
uprising
politicize
in
it. The problem-
Gujarat.
The problem, Arnav, is we
Are you
have
aware?
dealt with the
Your
we have
social
dealt with
order
the
in
caste
Gujarat
issue
is
in
falling
Gujarat.
apart.
Sabha, 1 minute. Sabha, let me get Prakash Ambedkar into the debate, and if you can please hear me for a minute. In June this year, Prakash Ambedkar, I want you to come to the debate, and after that,
make a very
we
brief
can take the
intervention
discussion
if you
forward.
allow me.
No, Mr. Bhadoria, just let me get Prakash Ambedkar, and he hasn't spoken. I'll come back to you. In June this year, the same Gauraksha Samiti in Rajasthan beat up and stripped 3 people because they think they are doing cattle smuggling in Pratapgarh in Rajasthan. One example, Rajasthan. Who rules in Rajasthan? BJP. In Haryana, people are being killed because of this, by Gauraksha Samiti. Who is in power in Haryana? BJP. In Jharkhand, 2 people are hanged, including a 13-year-old child. In Jharkhand, who is in power in Jharkhand? BJP. All these Gauraksha Samitis are on the loose. They are dangerous. They are killing people because they think cows are being insulted. Human lives don't matter. And Prakash Ambedkar is on the debate. And I'm saying today that leaving these Gaurakshaks on the loose will make people of India vulnerable. Your swift action theory is useless. Useless with a capital U when these people are unleashed on Dalits as well as others, some of whose occupations may be linked to the cattle trade.
Those people who
That's the
Now,
issue.
what is
Prakash Ambedkar.
I would just like to say,
Prakash Ambedkar. Prakash Ambedkar.
with Gujarat, did you not assign them the work of slitting up the dead animal in the olden day society? Is it not the case that this whole system continues today? And when they do the same work, you go on beating them. Today, let me tell you, the Dalits are up in arms in every state. Don't be surprised if Mr. Parikh, who is the head of the institution of Gorakshak in Delhi, if he's attacked, in Gujarat, if he's attacked, don't be surprised. If RSS offices are attacked, don't be surprised.
No, that's
If Vishwa Hindu Parishad offices are
Prakash
attacked,
Ambedkar, you should make threats on television.
threats.
No, you have no right. No, you
I'm
should
not
be
making a
threats
threat on television. I'm just
It
saying.
is more
I'm
serious
just stating
that
a
you are
situation, what is
openly
happening in
instigating
Gujarat.
violence on the national television.
No, Mr.
I'm not
Ambedkar, you
I'm
can't do
not
that.
saying violence. I'm just saying what is
What
happening.
does this mean?
There's going
If
to
he
be
is
a
attacked,
retaliation.
if
You just
those
take into
officers are attacked,
consideration.
what does this mean?
It is for the government to act. 5 minutes, 5 days have gone, the
that you
government has not
constrain the
taken any
government.
action.
If government doesn't act, the courts are there.
That's what
And
I'm
I would
saying.
like to say,
You take the
same
case
type
of
authority was there
Mayawati.
in
No
the last
action
case.
has been
What is
taken.
the recent judgment of the
What is
court?
this happening?
That
It's
he
a
has to
question
be
that
exiled.
power
Here
was
is
coming
government.
to
Surely.
power was to subjugate
Yes,
the Dalits. If that situation is going to come in, let me tell you that what I am saying will take personally. I'm just warning the government that you are sitting on a fire. You can't impose your own will on the people. You have an ideology which is based on Vedic system. You have an ideology which is based on the caste system. You would like to revive the caste system, but let me repeat what the warning which my grandfather said, that you may be interested in caging us, but we would not like to lose our freedom. And for that, we will do whatever we like. This is what is a message that is given to by Dr. Ambedkar.
Professor,
that is not going to
Professor
die.
Praveen Mishra and
therefore,
at this point of time, MR
instead of
Venkatesh
warning
into the
me,
debate.
you should warn the RSS. You should warn the
but
RSS
in my
that they are
opinion,
What
same
Mr.
time.
Prakash Ambedkar is saying is in starking contrast to the principles of Baba Sahib Ambedkar, who has vouched for
Let me tell
non-violence,
you,
for
don't teach me
integrity
Dr.
of
Baba
India.
Sahib Ambedkar.
And whatever difference
Let me
of
don't
opinion
teach
is there
you.
is to be,
He was for
is to be
integrity,
solved on the
but he
democratic
was
principle.
not
It should
for a
not be
caste
instigation of
rule
violence.
in this country.
Howsoever
He opposed the
difference
caste
you are
rule.
having.
He opposed the religious rule, and therefore he revolted against it. You still carry a grudge against Dr. Ambedkar. Don't worry about it. And therefore you speak on saying that we will change the constitution. You were the organization in 1954, 55 and 53 when he framed the Hindu Code Bill that you launched an agitation against him.
If he is
RSS
serious
was
about
in the
Dr.
front
Annihilation
well. It was
Dr. Ambedkar has
it was
written book, Annihilation of
Sadhu
Caste.
was
He
there.
should say that he will
Don't
not
deny
be
that
judged
you are
after
not there now. You
You
read
want
your
to
own
strengthen the
political
caste.
line, you will see what is there.
But saying that you are the successor and
On the
champion of
religion part,
legacy
this
of
is what he
Dr.
said.
Ambedkar.
So don't repeat
not
it
an
again now in
intellectual debate.
2068.
It's
People are not
no,
going
no,
to be
Sudhanshu
inspired.
Trivedi.
The
Sudhanshu
generation has
Trivedi.
changed.
No, one
People have
second.
changed.
Prakash
People have accepted
Ambedkar.
liberty.
Prakash
And they would not
Ambedkar.
like to
Prakash
lose liberty
Ambedkar.
now.
Not be a violence in
to intervene over here.
Prakash Ambedkar,
You are
let me
now
tell you one thing. 1 minute,
violence,
please, if you
let me
hear
tell
me.
you.
Sudhanshu Trivedi is trying to be very smart at this point of time and quickly
JP
move away
and all
from
the
discussing
organizers.
what has happened to the
It is
Dalits in
not
Can
Gujarat
I
and the
make a
protests
very
around it,
brief
to
remark
discussing
with
the
your
philosophy
permission?
of Baba Sahib Ambedkar. We'll do that another time. किसी और समय करेंगे. आज के विषय पर बोलेंगे.
प्रकाश अंबेडकर बैठ के जो बोल रहे हैं
क्यों?
क्या वो बाबा साहब अंबेडकर की फिलॉसफी है
I just want to get Praveen Mishra and MR Venkatesh into the debate at this point of time in, and I want to remind MR Venkatesh who sides with the BJP on this subject. Remember MR Venkatesh and Praveen Mishra, feel free to come in.
Brief intervention.
Sudhanshu, yes, Sudhindra Bhadoria, go on. Sudhindra Bhadoria, go on.
Said against Mayawati, and in your first debate,
You see, the
there is
intervention
nowhere
is
BJP is
that the
repenting over it.
BJP has run out of steam. The BJP has run out of steam on Ram Mandir. So that is why Akhlaq was lynched on the cow issue in Dadri. They are beating up in Gujarat. They have done it in the other parts of the country. They want to whip up this issue of cow and they want to make this a political issue. They have failed on all socio-economic fronts. So this is the ideological, mental bankruptcy of the BJP which is getting reflected in Gujarat and in the rest of the country. And let me remind Mr. Trivedi that people of this country understand and you will not escape from this. You will have to deliver and you have to also take action against those people who are trying to suppress the rising consciousness of the Dalits in this country.
Sudhindra Bhadoria ji, if you are saying that we are having the politics of caste,
Arnav.
I would like to remind Mayawati's press conference after the defeat of 2014.
Come
She
on,
openly said
you keep
कि
on
upper caste
reminding
ने
and
और
keep on
minority ने हमें
suffering.
वोट नहीं दिया.
You keep on
You
reminding and
calculate
suffering.
everything with caste,
You
creed and
will
religion.
never get
You
away
never say
from
like
this.
this.
Your
It is a
mindset
recorded
of
press statement of
the
Mayawati.
oppressor.
इस जात ने
This is
हमको
your
वोट दिया, इस जात
mindset
ने
of
हमको
the
वोट नहीं दिया.
oppressor. This is your
बताइए, जवाब
mindset
दीजिए
of the
ना.
oppressor.
2
That
साल
this
पहले
country
की
belongs to
press
us
conference recorded
and the Dalits have no place. Come on, this is your mindset of the oppressor.
In the
That is why
aftermath,
Madhu Mishra said
in the aftermath
that
of the
these
horrendous
people used to
Kelanji
say,
killings,
Madhu Mishra said your BJP
Sudhanshu Trivedi,
those who claim the shoes are now sitting on and are trying to govern the country. We will not allow it. Let me tell you, we will not tolerate this language. We will fight to the finish, Mr. Trivedi, with you and this mindset.
Calm down. Sudhindra Brother, calm down. Sabha, before I come back to you, Praveen Mishra and MR Venkatesh on the debate. MR, remember, today BJP is in power. Yesterday they were in the opposition. Today they say one line. Yesterday they said one line. Another thing. Today they are quiet in the context of Haryana. Yesterday they were on the streets leading from the front when the Nirbhaya attack and the protest after that had happened. And today, the hypocrisy of the BJP is what you need to explain, MR Venkatesh, because after the Kelanji killings happened in Maharashtra, the same BJP represented by Sudhanshu Trivedi, who is very aggressive on the News Hour tonight, blamed the Congress, asking why its administration could not prevent the killing of a Dalit family. By the same token, I should be asking Sudhanshu Trivedi today, why can't the BJP in Gujarat prevent this most despicable atrocity that takes place right under your eyesight in broad daylight? You questioned Rahul Gandhi's silence over the brutal rape and murder of a Dalit student in Kerala in May, accusing the UDF government before the elections of their inaction. Questions are being asked of you now.
It is highly unjustified to compare Kelanji with what happened.
Why not? Why not?
And the swift
both are acts
action.
of violence. Why not?
Kelanji, the
Why not?
violence, death, and so many people
Oh,
were
you
killed.
wanted some people to die before.
No, I'm not saying.
humiliation.
How can you compare
MR
those
Venkatesh,
things? And with the immediate swift action of the government on the same day, that is 11th of July.
MR Venkatesh,
कुछ तो comparison में होना चाहिए.
MR Venkatesh and Praveen Mishra will respond. Go ahead. MR Venkatesh and Praveen.
The recent events, the recent events in Haryana or Gujarat or today's statement of BJP's leader in UP is not only to be condemned. The BJP must take very clear action on those who failed the party and the country and the social fabric of the country. When I say they must take action, they must lodge themselves. It would be nice if the BJP in UP goes to the nearest police station, lodges a complaint against its own leader and says that here is a person who has done something against the leader of the state, a lady of the state, a political leader, and also a Dalit.
Come to the issue.
Given
Come to
this,
the issue
I
on the
think this will
Dalit
be
bias, the bias and prejudice against Dalits of the RSS, which is the accusation
let me
that was
tell
put
you.
on top of the debate by by Kanchai Ilaiah.
Let me tell you. Mr. You name Mr. Kanchai Ilaiah as a Dalit activist, but you don't name me as a Dalit activist because perhaps I don't advertise. And I do work with Dalit people. I have got strong Dalit affiliations. I work with them. I do partake in their festivals. They do partake in my festivals. There are a lot of people with whom I am working. So don't tell me that there is a bias by some people or some organization or some
Praveen
caste or
Mishra,
some
Praveen
community
Mishra.
against Dalit.
Praveen
All of
Mishra.
us are working. And all of us are working for the unity and integrity of this country.
Makes no impact. Makes no impact. Then why are Gaurakshak Samitis attacking? Why did the Gaurakshak Samiti attack and strip and beat those Dalits and no action was taken place? Why?
A riffraff. No, that is why I say. I say that the riffraff.
that's the biggest threat to this country today.
Under your government. Praveen is countering you. Praveen, go ahead. Praveen, go ahead. MR, listen to Praveen is countering you now. This is not riffraff. This is happening under your watch.
Why are you not?
This is happening under your watch, your government, your police, your bureaucracy, your chief minister.
See, can I request Mr. Trivedi to just calm down for a moment, because I think he has shouted a lot for a long time, and it's important that he just calms down for a while, because he's definitely on the back foot today. And not just in UP, what is happening in Haryana, what is happening in Rajasthan, what is happening in Gujarat, I think it's all the mindset of the RSS, who basically endorses the caste system, who basically supports all the Dalit violence and we're seeing this result.
I don't
the
agree.
biggest threat to
Sorry,
this
don't
country
make
is the cow
allegations.
politics.
This is
And
without
today,
any
what is
evidence.
happening is
You are
the
throwing an
like
allegation
basically they're
without
part of the
any
Sangh
evidence.
Parivar, and
You are
sometimes Sangh
throwing
Parivar
an
can
allegation
quickly
without
disconnect
any
them. But
evidence.
when
And
Prime Minister
this
goes
is
ahead and
atrocious. This is done
talks
only
about
to
the pink
harm the
revolution
social
when
fabric
he
of
was
this
in the
country.
opposition, when he was fighting for this, then we are thinking that as an innocent. Today the biggest contradiction in this country is India is world's biggest beef exporter, and we must know that this is this government who basically opposed the UPA.
That is not the issue,
that
sir.
They are
Today we are
big
talking
revolution.
about something else.
This is the
So let us
emotional
come to the
politics.
point.
This is the
Stick to
Hindutva
the point,
politics
sir.
that this government is
No,
trying to
this
brought
is
in
nothing to do
country,
with
and
Hindutva
the country,
politics. This has
by paying the price,
nothing to do with
the price
Hindutva
of poor
politics.
people are paying the
Of course it
price for
does.
this.
No.
And
I think
people
you're
like
talking
Siddharth
point,
Trivedi
Arnab,
and all, my
which
God,
is-
The issue is
instead of having some shame
RSS is the only
Dalits are being
organization that has
brutally
never
beaten
talked
up.
about
Dalits
caste.
are being raped.
RSS is the
In
only organization that doesn't talk about caste,
2014,
whereas
76
you
Dalit women
people
are raped in
talk
Gujarat.
caste at every point.
That's 300% increase from the last
The
10 years.
RSS never
Why would
talks
someone
about
who's
caste.
being
The amount
RSS
of
is the most casteless
Death and the
organization.
rape against the Dalits
In fact,
has increased
RSS is the most
300% in last 10 years. Anybody, any of your viewer can Google it and watch it. It's the government data. This is the DG, Director General of Police
you can
of
have
Gujarat has
enormous
given this
government
data
but the
just few
fact of
days
the
back.
matter is your allegation is baseless.
I'm just quoting the government
The
today.
baseless allegation that you are throwing is
This
RSS
is
has
Director
got
General.
anything to do with
Anybody
caste.
can Google it.
has
Any of
been
your
the most
viewers.
casteless
I think
organization.
some of the viewers of Times Now at least must be smart enough to Google it, cross-check it. This was a RTI reply which was given just few days back. I'll also say who actually. It was a Dalit activist Kaushik Parmar, and he got the reply from the DGP office Gujarat. 24 Dalit women are raped in Gujarat. In 2004, in 2014 it was 74. That's 300% more. 9 Dalits were murdered in Gujarat in 2004, and in 2014 it's 27 Dalit women were raped in Gujarat, and this is the Gujarat model that has been being boosted everywhere else.
Prafulla Ketkar. Prafulla Ketkar.
Core issue is the cow politics.
The allegation is, and
RSS who have been anti-women, RSS who have been anti-Dalit, RSS who have been anti-Muslim.
They want to politicize it.
Praveen,
They want to
top of their
politicize
voice.
it. They want to make it. See, the
Who is
problem is that
politicizing?
the
You represent
most
a political
casteist
party,
people
the largest political party in this
make
country.
baseless allegations on the nationalist organizations who are working day and night to erase the caste institution in this country.
The nationalism that
This is the
RSS
country-
brings is the
that's the
biggest
reality,
threat
but
to
we
this
have to
country
deal with
today.
the social
Praveen Mishra can debate with Prafulla Ketkar.
That's the
Please go on.
Taliban,
I want to
that's
ask
the
you- I
Talibani
want to ask you,
nationalism that
Prafulla
you are
Ketkar.
bringing in here.
Praveen Mishra, the issue is very simple, and now we've really gone into a focused part of this debate where the allegation is that this is not happening by accident. This is happening because
By
there is a
design.
certain mindset that the RSS has against Dalits. This is what the allegation is. Now, with the allegation, there are some statistics.
Absolutely.
Sudhanshu Trivedi, I'll bring you back to it. In 2014, with 8,028 cases in Rajasthan, BJP ruled, 7,893 cases in Madhya Pradesh. The two BJP ruled states are ranking second and third in terms of incidents of crimes against scheduled castes. Why does this happen? Why are there so many crimes and atrocities against Dalits and scheduled castes in BJP ruled states? 40,300 cases of atrocities against Dalits registered across the country. Rajasthan is the third highest with 6,734. It does not stop there. Since we are talking about prevention and you have asked questions about the UPA, what they did in terms of crimes against Dalits, where were you? Sudhanshu Trivedi, when upper caste Rajput men resolved a land dispute by killing a Dalit man under their vehicle in Rajasthan in June this year, aap kahan the? Aap kahan the when hundreds of Dalit villagers fled the Dangawas village in Rajasthan after upper caste men trampled upon 3 Dalits under their tractors? They drove the tractors over 3 Dalits. That was the resolution of a caste dispute. Aap kahan the? RSS kahan thi? Sudhanshu Trivedi kahan the? Vasundhara Raje kahan thi? Aap kahan the when a 9-month-old toddler and a 2-year-old boy were burned to death in Faridabad in October last year by upper caste men in Haryana? That was an act of revenge against the Dalit family. Sudhanshu Trivedi kahan the tab? Aapke Chief Minister Khattar kahan the tab? ये बायस का सवाल जो आ रहा है, मैं आपको क्राइम्स के बारे में आंकड़े दे रहा हूं, आप जवाब दीजिए आप कहां थे, और ये आंकड़ों को मिला के कोई जो आर्गुमेंट बना रहे हैं, आप जवाब दीजिए।
सवाल है,
जवाब दीजिए मेरा। आज
क्राइम पे हम लोग डिस्कशन कर चुके हैं,
जवाब दीजिए ना।
दैट वाज अ कंटिन्यूअस फैमिली फ्यूड बिटवीन दो
फैमिली
कंटिन्यूअस, सब तीनों चार दोनों तरफ से मर्डर हुए, सब दोनों तरफ से दिल्ली से मर्डर हुए, कहीं यहां की नहीं।
Are you denying?
No. I want to answer the larger question. As far as the RSS mindset is concerned, let me complete. RSS mindset is concerned, one more statistic I want to give. बताइए सबसे बड़ा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो दलित बस्तियों में काम करता कौन?
ये आपसे आपको सर्टिफिकेट मत दीजिए, ये सेल्फ सर्टिफिकेशन
क्रिश्चियन मिशन
Do you want to address the caste issue or just politicizing? I don't see it. I don't see it as
Prafulla,
BJP
I'm
versus
sorry,
Congress
you
or
will call
BJP versus
you will call the politics.
Prafulla, listen to her, please.
No, I want to
Prafulla, listen to her, please.
Intellectually, let's face it. What you call politicizing is the RSS has traditionally even been against reservation. In principle, ideologically. Let me finish, Prafulla. I have read the material enough. Let me finish.
Don't make baseless allegations.
When you say you want to politicize, you don't want low caste people to protest.
Please don't
You don't want them to protest.
Don't
You object to that. Do you think Dalits would ever be thrashing anyone in the way they've been thrashed?
Prafulla Ketkar is
मैं एक क्वेश्चन का बोल लूं क्या?
Sudanshu and Prafulla Ketkar Sudanshu versus Prakash Ambedkar in this part of the debate, and I'm going to ask you, sir, all I'm saying today, it's all I'm saying today, all I'm saying
RSS mindset.
No, what's it? You answer.
Let me complete.
It's not about the RSS. Why don't you take action?
सबसे बड़ा दलितों में काम करने वाला संगठन सेवा भारती
वो तो
RSS का,
सबसे बड़ा
वनवासियों में काम करने वाला संगठन वनवासी कल्याण आश्रम RSS का, दलितों के बच्चों को पढ़ाने वाला सबसे बड़ा एकल विद्यालय RSS का। इतना ही नहीं, as far as the caste allocation is concerned, Mahatma Gandhi visited RSS camp in 1936 in Varna. At the time of untouchability,
Prakash Ambedkar
to say how
Prakash Ambedkar is responding to you.
with caste.
Prakash Ambedkar.
जब श्री राम जन्मभूमि का शिलान्यास करवाया गया तो पहले ही दलित रखवाई गई।
Prakash Ambedkar.
Prakash
Ambedkar will respond to you, sir. Prakash Ambedkar's turn. Sir, please.
From Seva Bharati
Mr. Ambedkar, go on.
Ashram Shilanyaas and so many other
Mr. Ambedkar,
25 ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के नाम
प्रकाश अम्बेडकर
25 आप नाम लेते जाइए, बनाते जाइए, सेवा ये सेवा वो।
never single
Sir, listen to him, sir.
Which year they passed the resolution? Which year they passed a resolution that the untouchability will be abolished and we will work for it? They passed it in 2014.
Sir, listen to him.
And untouchability was abolished in the year 1950 by the Constitution. They are nearly 70 years behind the Constitution. And they are saying that we are working for the social upliftment. Let them ask me in Gujarat how many temples are still for the Dalits.
1936 for that camp. And he held the RSS approach.
महात्मा गांधी की बात छोड़ो, आप आरएसएस की बात करो।
Why are you trying to
अरे
take
बताओ
over
ना,
महात्मा
RSS कैंप में
गांधी?
महात्मा गांधी ने बोला ना।
देखिए सिद्धांत,
आप महात्मा गांधी को मार दिया और कह रहे हैं कि वहां पर ये है।
भाई वो 50 में जा रहे हैं, 36 में।
आप हिस्ट्री में क्यों जा रहे हैं?
महात्मा
आप
गांधी
अपना
को
चरित्र बताइए ना।
उनका अंबेडकर के साथ डिफरेंस।
आप अपना चरित्र बताइए वहां पर।
It is true even with Baba Saheb
सवाल
Ambedkar.
पूछ रहे हैं उनको।
आपका चरित्र बताइए कि आप कब ने ये रेजोल्यूशन पास किया।
अरे भाई जब आप कह रहे हैं when the country was formed, the constitution came into existence, from that day one.
अरे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को आपने उस वक्त भी माना ही नहीं था। 50 में आपने कहा कि इस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को हम मानते नहीं हैं।
साहब अम्बेडकर की जन्मभूमि
आपने ये कहा था कि आप कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मानते नहीं है। सरदार पटेल ने जबरदस्ती आपको कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनवाया,
को स्मारक बनाया,
उसका जीआर दिया तो आप
बाबा साहब यहाँ बैठ के पढ़े लंदन में,
सरकार ने उसका जीआर भेजा और कहा कि आरएसएस को हमने जबरदस्ती कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाने को कहा है।
सेवा
अच्छा, can I say one thing, Mr. Trivedi? Please listen to me. Please, Mr. Trivedi.
अब से मत
Prafulla Ketkar and Mr. Trivedi take a little break. And let me make one small point. I've been listening to you. I didn't interrupt. Now please listen to me for just 1 minute. I'm requesting you. For God's sake, someone listen to me. Now listen to me. What's it? Prakash Ambedkar. The issue is, do not politicize it. This issue will not be politicized if the administration takes action against criminals. This is not about politics. This is not about RSS. This is not about who likes RSS, doesn't like RSS. It is about taking action against criminals, which is not happening. Which is not happening.
It is about RSS.
Now,
RSS can't just wash their hands.
I want right.
Listen, Anna.
I heard you. I want you to hear. I want to hear Kanchaila.
Police officers are suspended. All the culprits are arrested.
Arunabh,
Kanchaila has asked a question.
Arunabh, the key question, the key question, Mr. Chaturvedi should answer is,
Trivedi.
what is the situation of the debate around cow after 2014 election? What was the situation earlier? Now, whether it is Akhlaq issue, whether it is beef ban, whether it is Dalits skinning a dead cow, private armies are going and attacking. The other day, some Muslim youth were going and selling cattle and they were lynched. Now, lynching after lynching, beating in public, removing their clothes. When is this happening? Why this is happening? Now in this government, during this period. Why this kind of a culture is spreading all over? Private armies threaten everybody. They are saying, if you talk anything, there will be a case. If they have full-time lawyers to go after any public intellectual who is saying anything. Now, just now on your channel, somebody was saying, you are taking the name of RSS, you will face case like Rahul Gandhi. What is this? This is nothing but we will threaten and shut your mouth and we will beat people on the roads. We will abuse Mayawati. We will abuse Dalits. Is this the culture that you build?
See, the problem is your theory of
you said
nationalism erupts
you said
only
on
when
the
BJP is
channel
in power.
that you are
The problem
taking
is,
RSS name.
Goraksha Samitis
There will
have
be a
been
case
working
like
at
you
various places
and you
and they
like
have nothing
Rahul
to do with
Gandhi.
RSS.
What is that?
RSS has openly condemned them. RSS has given a call for a strict
What do
action
you mean?
against them. You please
The whole
go through
world knows. The whole
please go
country
through
knows.
the press release of today's RSS Gujarat unit. Please go through. So don't make baseless allegations.
No, when did the debate start around cow?
Vishwendu Parshad
Cow
has given a
skinning
call.
and killing happened
See,
in 2002
the problem is
when
you see
BJP
them
was
only
in
when
power.
BJP is in power.
Now cow skinning,
The problem
dead
is
cow
you see
skinning
them only
happens
when
now.
BJP is in
what
power.
is the BJP doing?
Because you
No,
don't
the
question
facts
that
are
in
facts.
Karnataka.
I'm an academic.
You don't
Praveen
question that in
Mishra,
Karnataka.
Praveen
You
Mishra.
don't like to question
No,
that in
whether it is
Karnataka.
Karnataka or not.
If Dalits are doing suicide in Kerala, you don't like to ask that.
I want
Left
Praveen
is in
Mishra to
power.
come to the debate. One second. The issue of timing is something I don't believe in, and I don't believe that in this country you can always say what was the other side doing. I would say, where were you? What were you doing when upper caste women in Chhatarpur in Madhya Pradesh beat up a Dalit woman after a shadow fell on an upper caste man in October last year? Where were you when a 45-year-old Dalit woman was stripped and forced to drink urine in Chhatarpur over a land issue in September last year? आपके दिल में ठेस नहीं पहुंचती, आपको खराब नहीं लगता उस वक्त आप ये पूछते हैं कि दूसरों ने क्या किया? आप क्या कर रहे हैं? प्रफुल्ल केतकर जी, आप क्या कर रहे हैं? सवाल तो आपसे है। आप क्या कर रहे हैं? ये बताइए ना। ये बताइए। आप क्या? अच्छा, one second. I want Praveen Mishra to come to the debate. Praveen Mishra. And we have overshot the time limit, but Praveen Mishra is making a point. Go on.
For RSS, I think today the breaking news should be Sudhanshu Trivedi, the editor of the RSS mouthpiece, saying that RSS has nothing to do with Gorakshak Samitis. Now the Gorakshak Samitis basically are their armies, they are the pawns who basically they'll kill up Muslims, they'll beat up Dalits. So what happens
you
now that they are in the back foot, now that there's a Dalit uprising happening, because
the problem is these people who are arrested,
and Muslims
the people
have
who
been
have
on the
arrested
rise for the last 10 years in Gujarat, and for the last 2 years all over India. Now that their questions being asked, they're on the back foot, they're completely distancing themselves. That's their Deshbhakti there.
No, you can make any
These are the amount of atrocities against the Dalits.
make any baseless
What are you showing? I can't hear you in the din.
It's
What are you
everywhere.
showing, Praveen? Go ahead. What was that piece of paper? What were you showing? Go ahead. What were you showing?
After BJP came
The
to
amount of
power,
atrocities against Dalits.
why cow has
This Dalit
become
teenager
bigger
Ban
than
Chala,
human beings in
15-year-old,
this nation?
last year, no, not BJP nor RSS condemned in Saila village, Saila town of Gujarat. And she was burnt alive by pouring
I-
kerosene
Praveen
and
Mishra,
the
Praveen
pipes
Mishra,
went
where
in the daylight.
See the question.
No, you
No
asked where were you
condemnation from
earlier?
anywhere because
See,
no
no, no,
videos
no,
are
no.
there.
That's not-
Did you
Today,
raise the same
videos
kind of
came
voice
out,
when Prashant
so
Pujari was
everybody
killed?
comes out.
No, because it doesn't suit you. The problem is we don't really want to
No, no,
address
no,
the
no,
issue.
hello.
We want to politicize it. RSS doesn't believe in that.
It's not
RSS is
politicizing.
working on ground.
This is the politics. We're exposing the politics.
And
We're
it
not
is
poli-
working
we don't
for
benefit by
eradicating
politicizing issues.
casteist
Mr. Trivedi.
mentality. That is the key issue. We have addressed caste at legal level, but
I want
politically
to abolish caste. So tell on the national TV
strengthened it.
that
We have
RSS
used
wants
it
to
for
abolish the
voting
caste
purpose.
system.
We have used it for
I
voting
want-
purpose.
Sabha
And that's what is
last
That's
point.
the challenge I
That's
give
Sabha
to the
speaking.
RSS.
Sabha
RSS
said
say
something.
once that it doesn't believe in caste system.
in a dead cow.
Yes, the RSS would like to outreach towards the Dalits, but it's been very, very limited and it's in a very patronizing manner.
No,
It is
not
as
at
if
all.
there are people who
That
should
may be
accept.
your
Please
perspective.
finish.
That may be your
Let me
perspective.
finish. And that would be
This is
Baba
your
Shah
culture.
Ambedkar's perspective
This is your
also.
character.
You do not patronize, you
And you
empower
don't
people.
Absolutely.
That is his message through the
Absolutely.
Indian constitution, which is
Absolutely.
what we all worship. And
Absolutely.
there are people who are becoming a danger to India from within
That's why-
the country
that's why-
who are
that's why-
running around
that's
thinking
why-
they are empowered.
Can I make three
They
points
take the
again?
law into their
Should be
own
taken away
hands. This is a genuine threat. It's
Can,
not.
can I make 3 points at the end? And I'm closing at the 1 minute left. I want to make 3 points. So that should be
Yeah,
my
that-
point to you is
that-
3 points.
Should
3 points,
people
and I'm
live or
making this
not?
with all seriousness. One, arrest all the rapists, put them behind bars, and give protection to the victim in Haryana. Point number 1. Secondly, catch all the hoodlums one by one and take strong action against all Gauraksha Samitis so that anyone who takes any Dalit or any citizen on, beats them up, kills them, or tries anything, feels a sense of fear in his heart. And last point, I'm telling you, just arrest Daya Shankar Singh and remove him from your party. Forget your caste combination there. Just do these 3 things because they are what is right.
I know we
Mr.
had
They
had
are
a
what
very
is right.
heated debate, but I want to conclude with a sentence that firm action should be taken and all criminals should be dealt in accordance
ये
with the
तो
law, but
ये
it should
तो-
not be politicized. मैं एक लाइन में कह के खत्म करना चाहूंगा कि आज स्थिति ये है कि राष्ट्र को सब लोग भूले, स्वार्थ है युग मंत्र सारा, वर्ग जाति विभेद की अब बह रही है कलुष धारा। हर आदमी कास्ट इक्वेशन से हर चीज को पोलराइज मत करिए।
राज तो आपका है,
चोरी और
स्वार्थ
चोरी।
किसका है?
इसलिए हम कह रहे हैं ना, एक्शन तो हम ले रहे हैं।
Okay, I thank you all for joining me on debate number 1 of the News Hour tonight. The BJP right now is going to be watched for what action it takes in Gujarat, in Uttar Pradesh and in Haryana. Thank you for joining me on debate number 1 on the News Hour tonight. Thank you.